Hey, I'm Parv and I'm going to take you through our new Chrome extension. You can download the extension directly from the Chrome Web Store or our platform. Once it's installed, it works automatically while you read academic papers online. When you open a research article or paper, you will see a small faculty icon. Click it to open the Research Assistant. The assistant analyzes the paper you are reading and presents a structured overview in a sidebar. At the top, you will see a clear summary of the paper's main argument and findings, followed by an explanation of why the research matters. Below that, key concepts used in the paper are highlighted and explained, helping you understand unfamiliar ideas or terminology. You will also see links to related academic papers, making it easy to explore wider literature. At the bottom of the panel, the assistant shows short expert video clips from leading academics offering additional context and interpretation. As you move to the another paper, the assistant updates automatically so you can stay focused on reading without leaving the page. And that's it. The extension is free, available now, and designed to make reading research faster and clearer. So give it a try.